Idaho's Legal News Network presents All You Need to Know If You've Been Injured, featuring Holzer Edwards, Idaho's injury lawyers, with your host, Marla Steenson.
Welcome to All You Need to Know. I'm Marla Steenson, and joining us today is Kurt Holzer to talk to us about giving recorded statements to insurance adjusters. Welcome, Kurt.
It's good to be here, Marla.
Thank you. So tell me, what should we know before we give a statement to an insurance adjuster?
Well, the basic advice we give people is don't do it. Now, that advice is not very practical. People give statements all the time. So what they really need to do is plan for it.
How do you plan to give an insurance statement?
Well, you have to understand what the adjuster's goal is when he's interviewing you. And that goal is to get you to say things that are going to be used against you or are going to reduce the actual value of your claim and your actual damages you really incurred. So you need to be careful with them. Does he really need a statement? They don't really need a statement. They got a police report. They know what happened in the wreck. They got your medical records. They know how you're doing physically. So they really have an underlying goal here. I mean, when we have clients that were actually taken in these injury cases and have gone into court, one of the things they do is give a statement. It's called a deposition. Mm-hmm. And we will take 3 or 4 hours at times to prepare people for that deposition so that they make sure the truth comes out and their words don't get twisted by the insurance company lawyers and their approaches to dealing with you in this interview. Mm-hmm. We were dealing with this, my partner John and I were dealing with this and put together a blog post on this issue, and we came up with 20 different things that people need to think about when they're getting ready to give a statement as part of planning to give a statement for the insurance adjuster.
20 separate things, though.
Yeah, I mean, the point is don't take the request for a statement lightly. They make it seem like you have to do it and you ought to do it and that it's a normal thing, but you need to be focused on it and thinking about it if you're the injured person.
So before I give an insurance statement, I need to go to the Holzer Edwards Law website and make sure I review your blog.
Absolutely. Take a look at the blog post and plan for that statement. Don't take it lightly.
I see. Thank you so much, Kurt. What will we be talking about next time?
You know, next time we're going to talk about negligence and what does that even mean? People are often confused about the concept of negligence and how is negligence established.
Thank you so much, Kurt. I look forward to it.
It's always good to be with you.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Holzer Edwards, Idaho's injury lawyers. Find us on Facebook or give us a call at 208-386-9119.